Good morning, students. Today again I am starting past simple. Recognition of the past simple is at the end of the sentence in Hindi. It comes ya, ye, ye or tha, the, thi. Helping verb for the past simple is did, not. With did verbs first form will come. Always हमेशा did के साथ verb की फर्स्ट फॉर्म आती है. अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, पैटर्न ऑफ द अफर्मेटिव सेंटेंस, सब्जेक्ट प्लस वर्ब सेकंड फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट. एग्जाम्पल, ही went to school yesterday. She cooked lunch for the guest. I did my work, my homework. They won the final match. You knew her. These are the example for the affirmative sentence. Now the next sentence of the past simple is negative sentence. Pattern for negative sentence: subject plus helping verb plus verb first form plus object. As soon as the helping verb has come, the verb first form will come, as already I told you. Example, she did not help me yesterday. I helping verb not plus verb first form plus object. I did not go to school on Sunday. Radha did not sing a song she did not clean the room. Mother did not prepare tea for me. This is the examples of negative sentence. Now interrogative sentence. Pattern for interrogative sentence: helping verb plus subject plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Example, did you do your homework? Did he write a letter to his father? Did she cook lunch for us? Did they win the final match? Did we reach school in time? These are the example for interrogative sentence of past simple. Now we shall go for interrogative negative sentence, fourth type of sentence. Interrogative negative sentence. The pattern for interrogative negative sentence is helping verb plus subject plus not plus verb first form plus object plus question mark. Example for the interrogative negative sentence is, did she not sing a song? Did you not go to market yesterday? Did he not play football? Did you not do your homework? Did Radha not knit sweater for her brother? These are the interrogative negative sentences of past simple. Now we shall go for symbol word of past simple. Ago, yesterday, last month, last week, last year, sometime back, past happening. These are the symbol word of past simple. Example, India in bracket get independence in 1947. This is the past happening. So India got verb second form will come independence in 1947. C. She went to school yesterday. I saw him last month. There was a king. These are the examples for past simple with the symbol word. As I have already told you, when the bracket B comes, you have to write was were or EJMR as per the tense. Thank you, gentlemen. See you again.